Alrighty fam, what's up? Welcome to an exciting episode this time. Oh man, the Cooking Journal got something in store for y'all. You know what I'm saying? The Achilles heel of what Professor Doug said I didn't do. I'm finna do a dessert. Now, I've been asked to do desserts before, and you know I'm the Cooking Journal. I can cook anything now. Remember that. But I want to do something go way back. I was going around talking to folks in town. I asked some young people, and I was amazing that some people that they little 20s and 30s, they heard of this recipe. Now, this is an old-fashioned jelly cake. Now, a little history on jelly cake. Back in the days, maybe 100 years ago or so, people didn't have transportation to go to town and buy all these frostings and stuff for these cakes. So a lot of older people, they preserve figs, they preserve grapes, plum preserves, they done it. And when they had birthdays and parties, they'll make these cakes from scratch. And the icing they didn't have, so they would use either sugar-coated icing or they'll use homemade preserves. And one of the most popular ones, at least in my area, was jelly. Because at my place, we grow Mustang grapes. They grow wild. And I know how to preserve. And guess what I did? You know what I did? I preserved jelly. And I'm gonna make a homemade cake from scratch. And let me show you what you need. Here we go. Now, we're gonna need 2 sticks of unsalted butter. And we gotta set it at room temperature. Especially our eggs too. 4 eggs, room temperature. We're gonna need about a tablespoon of vanilla. Some self-rising flour. We're gonna need some sugar, milk, and we're gonna need some cooking spray. You can use baker's jar or pound, but make sure it has some flour in it. That way you ain't gotta worry about this pan bringing that there. Man, I'm telling you, our old-fashioned jelly cake. An old-fashioned jelly cake. Now, y'all just let me know if y'all heard this before. If y'all haven't, you know what I'm saying, I'll bag it off. But hey, this is dessert I remember. And I'm gonna tell you my main dessert. Pecan pie, jelly cakes, tea cakes, and one of my other favorite, cheesecakes. That's the 4 desserts I really like. So you want to see more of this dessert stuff? Let me know. Cooking General, ask somebody. Welcome back to the Cooking General. Man, I'm telling you, this dessert, I'm not going to lie, it takes me way back. And I've just got a passion for doing this stuff. I have to do this one here. All right, come on, let's do this, y'all. All right, let's go ahead and whip this butter. So you want to whip your butter. We're going to whip this up. Get this going. All right, let's get it going like that. There we go. And we're going to go ahead and put some sugar off in there. That's 2 cups of sugar. Let it go. Let it go. Okay, now I got my milk and I got a tablespoon of my vanilla already stirred in there. Stir it in there. Add us a couple of eggs. Slow it down a little bit. There we go. Now, we're going to go ahead and add our flour. This 1 cup of flour. We're going to add more flour. Slow it down, let it get mixing. There we go. We're going to mix this up you mix about a good minute. And I ain't going to do the whole time with you because I don't know y'all got that much time to be waiting on this video. But I'm going to mix this on in for about another minute and let that mix. Then I'm going to add another cup of flour because you want 2.5 cups of flour. Because it's going to make 2 cakes. It's going to be on a 2 layer. Now, I used to get on with this woman I know. She used to make me a 4 layer back in the days. And she's in the 90s and she just made me one this year. And so she's getting older, so I like, okay, I got to go to ringing. And then I got to show people about a jelly cake, and especially the young generation. They got to learn this here. And I'll be back with you, and I'm going to let you know what I do. Man, Cooking General, so ask somebody. Ready? Welcome to the Cooking General, man. I'm sorry, I'm like a kid on Christmas Day. Man, a jelly cake is my favorite, I'm telling you. Now, it's an honor for me to be doing this here. Actually, to be truthful with y'all, I already know how to do it, but it's my first time in my life doing it. Now, check this out here. I already got me one of them fold. Now, when you put that milk in there, you just need 1 cup of milk, and then, a tablespoon of your vanilla. And then, we're going to put them off in these pans. Oh, man, I just taste a little bit of it. And as I said, I could have been cooking myself one, but she done it so good that I'm like, man, I just let her do it. But, I just like doing, I'm going to just do my own now, Oh, man, I love doing desserts. But I just don't eat that much dessert, so that's why you don't see me doing much videos about dessert. Oh, man. Let's get all this out of here. Whew. I'm going to leave it a little bit so I can lick the bowl. Okay, that's good, yeah. Now, wait a minute. Hold on. I'm going to get a little more of that. I got to say something, though. Believe me, I'm going to lick this bowl. There we go. Now. All right. Let's get them all straight. That's good. Smooth it out. Okay, now I got my oven set, 350. We're gonna put both of them in at the same time. And I ain't gonna do too much moving now because you don't want to move too much with the cakes in the oven. Alright. And I already sprayed the pans down, so the pans have been sprayed. That's very important. I got to give you some. I remember I used to eat this stuff. You had somebody. Welcome back to the Cooking Journal, man. This is a dream come true. For me to do my own jelly cake, believe me, since I was a little boy, I ate them and they came out so good. Now, I'm gonna show y'all how to do these preserves one of these days. But you wanna get Mustang grapes. Mustang grapes, they go wild by my house. If y'all watch any of my old videos, y'all see all my grape tree vine. And then you let your cake cool off. I already put my bottom layer on there. And I'm trying to not waste y'all time. So it's like, you know what I'm saying? They didn't have icing and you put your jelly on there. And this grape jelly is so good on these cakes. I am not lying. You don't need no chocolate, vanilla icing. And this is all preserved. So it's not no artificial or none of that other stuff. I made this syrup myself, so I know what's in this jelly. Man, these old-fashioned jelly cakes, man, look at that. I'm gonna come back and finish doing this thing, man, it's good. Now, I don't know my audience. I really don't. I might have a younger audience. And I take this video here very serious about my jelly cake. But if you don't, just say if you don't have the skills, you ain't got the time, you really want a jelly cake. Let's see what these old people are talking about. Now you can go get you some Betty Crocker cake mix and some Welch's grape jelly, and you will have, you know, you will have Wait a minute.